Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the child's Android version and which Google account is linked. You must sign into the parent Google account that manages Family Link. Make sure you know the password and have any two-step verification method ready. Once done, open the Family Link app on your device and locate the child profile. Tap the child name to begin the removal sequence. This initiates the deactivation flow on both parent and child devices. You now disable supervision through coordinated steps. On the parent device, open Family Link, select the child, then choose Manage Settings and remove supervision. You will be prompted to confirm and to enter the parent Google password. Do that. Meanwhile, make sure the child device is online and unlocked so it can receive the change. Once the parent confirms, watch for a prompt on the child device asking to approve the change. Accept it, and if required, enter the child device PIN. You finish by confirming the removal. Open Family Link and ensure the child profile indicates supervision removed, then have the child sign into their Google account on the device to verify normal access. If supervision persists, try rebooting both devices, double-checking account credentials, and ensuring network connectivity. As a last resort, factory reset the child device after backing up data. You may need to contact Google support if account link remains. Make sure to keep backups of photos and messages in case you must reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.